Cancer biology can be quite tough to visualise at times, and being able to actually see how it impacts the body, and with some of the cases how it can be so widespread. Being able to see it, being able to tap on something, get some information about it, so being able to do that with a no consequence situation is very helpful. There's no stress involved with it.
So the Anatomage Table is a virtual cadaver tool, effectively. We've got 5 different cadavers. We've got 3 male and 2 female cadavers. 3 of them died with cancer. 1 was a leukaemia, 2 were solid tumours. So we've been able to use that to compare and contrast the effects that that has on the body, and we can cut them in any way that we want. You can then move up and down through the different planes. You can explore, you can take out all the different tissue types, so you can highlight just the cardiovascular system, for example, or just the lymph nodes. And you can really use it to find out what each piece of the body is, but also to explore how, in our case, how cancer metastasizes through the bloodstream from one organ to another. We designed a 3D tumour world, a Tumourverse, where students could go into an actual tumour and identify all the different cell types that you see in a tumour.
So I'm like a red robot and we're inside of a blood vessel. It's fun to do something like this that engages you a bit more and it's a bit more creative. I don't think you get this sort of opportunity at most universities. People are different types of learners. Me and Annie are both visual learners, and I think this really helps you understand what you're learning, and it's obviously a lot more enjoyable.
I think from a benefits perspective, probably the most helpful thing for students is being able to visualise these things. We've got the different cells almost like mugshots with the sizes of them, so they can visualise actually a cancer cell is pretty large compared to a B cell, which is actually really small. So here they're quite similar in size, but actually in real life they're maybe like 3 times bigger than the other. So being able to visualise that is actually quite helpful for them. Oh, it's hugely useful. This allows students to really see in context of the whole human body how big that tumour is. You can really understand the impact that that's going to have on the patient in terms of their ability to breathe, and the impact it's going to have on the restriction of blood flow to that organ. So it's really impactful.